this end. Watch. That's pretty cool, Mom, but did you see this? Yeah, you sawing some stuff?
Uh-oh. I better kick. Wheel.
Can you hit the nails?
Me.
There you go. Hammer those in however you need to. There you go. Good job.
Uh-oh.
I don't think that works. Is that the thing that doesn't work?
Yeah, we're gonna need to mail that back, buddy.
That one's broken.
Emmett.
See, and there's a safety so that when it's up, it can't be run. Where's Papa? Can you look at Papa?
Show me hitting the nails. Drive those nails in. 18 of those bad boys.
That's pretty cool, huh? You think Santa did a good job?
How's this drill work?
Wheel.
Look at this.
Show Mom how that drill works.
Can you show Mommy how this works? Put your hammer down. Yeah. Now show Mommy. Can you show Mommy how that works?
Look.
I think you have to hold it like this. There we go. And then you press the button. There you go.
Oh, he wants to work on the engine again. Here, work this a second. We'll flip it back over for you. Now look, kid, the key to a clean work area, put your tools back. Don't go looking at the garage for examples.
Then you flip it over and there's your engine.
There you go. Now you know where it goes, right? Remember, you got to turn it sideways a little bit to get it on there. There you go. Now drive it home.
Good job.
Yeah, tighten that baby up.
Yeah. All right.
Nice job.
Let's see what else we have under the tree. What else did Santa Claus bring to us? Look. Oh, you want to sit on Mommy's lap? Can you see that he's sitting on my lap? See, see that? I have no idea what you're seeing.